What is up everyone, my name is Mia and I've been working for Gitu Motion for about 3 or 4 days now. So it is quite fun actually and I kinda like it. And so right now Abe Cerah is doing a B-roll with Abang Topi and Adli together. So let's jump into it. So right now, Abang Topi and Adli are explaining the flow of the transition to Abe Cerah, like how the story goes and the transition and all for the B-roll. So let's see what are they doing.
Kita pakai robot gini. Lepas tu hot ni mari sambung gitu. Dia pakai tolak.
Okay, so sekarang kita tengah shooting C11 realme. Kita bermula dengan Abe Cerah masuk dalam bilik.
Dia mau kena ingat. Gapo?
Abe Cerah. If you are curious about software that are using, they use the Adobe Premiere CC 2019. We have to use this software in this office so that it won't make any conflict with other software. That's what I think. So let's see on what they are editing. Alright, as you guys can see, Abang Topi is editing the B-roll right now for the video. Yeah. Seems that the video is stressing him out, but it's okay. It takes time. So that's all for the vlog behind the scene today, and I really do hope you enjoy this video, and I'm truly sorry for the mistake that I've done in this video, in the editing part and the recording part, because this is my first time doing it, and I really hope you enjoy this content. Bye.